Welcome dear viewers to my Focus YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to focus on M sound. This is a nasal consonant. M sound is articulated by closing the two lips and blocking the mouth. Air is not allowing to escape through the mouth. The soft palate is lowered and the air escapes through the nasal passage. Keep in mind the vocal cord vibrates. M. M. Repeat M sound with me for a better practice. M. 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 Let us practice M sound in the beginning of the words as a beginning sound. Machine, messenger, magnificent, misinterpret, military, magician, management. Here are a few sentences with M sound as a beginning sound. Listen to this. The mailman delivered the letters. He found a city on the map. Wear a mask to the party. Please light the match and start the fire. The glass of milk is good for you. He put the money in his pocket. The moon was shining bright. Now, let us see the M sound in between the words. Now, this is in the middle position. Demand, famous, hammer, demonstrate, family, anonymous, immediately. Look at these sentences for M sound in between the words. The camel is in the desert. She has a digital camera. The chimney is made of brick. The rock climber used ropes. Hit the nail with the hammer. He cut the grass with a lawn mower. She is a happy woman. Here is M sound in the final position. Let us practice the list of words. Blossom, courtroom, extreme, maximum, journalism, mushroom, problem. Now here are a few sentences with M sound in it. Keep in mind, it is in the final position. We saw a mushroom in the grass. He is holding his palm up. She can scream really loud. He likes to swim in the lake. The team has their first game today. She gave him a thumbs up. We see Dad when we get home. Hope you will continue practicing M sound. Thank you for watching the video. Like the video and click the bell button to subscribe.